You guys did a great job. It was very enthusiastic, and the activities were too good. Like they involved us in all the way, like physical activities were too good, and the way of introduction you asked us to do, that was also very nice. So we thoroughly enjoyed the session, and thank you so much. It was nice having such kind of activity sessions. I wish to attend few more upcoming activities like this.
Sure. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
The event was fun-filled, and we got to interact with a lot of new people that we didn't know before. And the anchoring and management by the two of you is really amazing. Something that was missing. And of course, the prizes are in quite a few numbers, so everyone goes home with something or the other. Thank you.
Great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.